Welcome! In this video, we're going to show you how to unlock the bootloader of a Samsung device. Before we begin, make sure your phone is connected to Wi-Fi and that no Google account is associated with the device. First, go to your settings, then scroll down and tap on About Phone. Next, go to Software Information and tap the build number 7 times to enable developer mode. Now, go back to Settings. Open Developer Options. Enable OEM unlocking. Then, turn off the device. Press and hold the volume up and volume down buttons simultaneously while connecting the USB cable. Keep holding the buttons until the blue screen appears on the device. Then, press and hold the volume up button to proceed. The phone will now perform a data wipe and unlock the bootloader. Once the device boots up, reconnect to Wi-Fi and complete the setup wizard. Thank you for watching. For more tutorials and tips, don't forget to subscribe to our channel.